I created this look using the Too Faced Born This Way Natural Nudes eyeshadow palette. I love makeup, I love all things makeup, I love makeup tutorials, so if that interests you, then please subscribe. So I created this fall gold makeup look using the beautiful Born This Way Too Faced Natural Nudes eyeshadow palette. This is the shade Golden Light that I used that I thought was really cute for fall. And so we will jump right into the tutorial. So first I'm going to take this shade Seashell on a ColourPop E15 and blend this right into my crease area. I just absolutely love this transition shade. So perfect. And then I'm going to take a smaller blending brush. This is the M514 by Morphe, and I'm going to go with the shade Maple. And I'm just going to blend this into the crease, keeping it lower than Seashell. Oh my gosh, those blend so beautifully. I just love this palette. Oh my gosh, I love this palette. Whew, so blendable. So next I'm gonna go in with a Morphe JH25. I'm gonna go with the shade Cocoa. This is a much smaller, precise blending brush. And I'm just gonna blend this in the outer. Actually, I'm just gonna keep this really low in the crease, like up in here. Bring it in. Just like darkening it up so I can cut my crease. Like that. And then I'm gonna bring it down on the outer V. Like that. Take a ColourPop E18 and some Morphe setting spray. Shade Gold Light. I'm just gonna cut my inner crease. Go back in with the Morphe JH38. I'm gonna go with the shade Truffle and darken up the outer V. gonna kind of blend this up into the crease. And see, there's like a harsh line between the dark and the gold. So I'm gonna go in sugared chestnut, and I'm gonna apply that between those two shades. Flat shader brush, I'm going to go in with maple, blend out my bottom lash line. JH38, I'm gonna go with the shade Truffle and blend out the outer lower V. With Too Faced, turn up the light palette, I'm gonna go with the shade Glow. Whoops, no, I'm not. Going with the shade, yes. Going with the shade Glow. I light my inner corner. My brow bone as well. Some Maybelline Master Precise All Day eyeliner. Tight line. A tight line with a Kat Von D Cake Pencil eyeliner. Apply a thin coat of mascara to apply our Dell 3D Fox Mink 854 lashes.